CarteSign is a platform for digitizing your handwritten biometrics. Now, why do we need a platform like this? For thousands of years, we have been contracting with people using handwritten signatures, and they have legal validity in all our institutions. Although rules differ from country to country, a signature, handwritten signature, is acceptable everywhere as a legally binding document. But when you consider digital smart contracts, there is no concept of legality involved. Blockchain is kind of disconnected from the existing institutions. In order to make it much more compatible with the legal institutions and other entities within our functional society, we need to bridge this gap by tokenizing our handwritten signatures. So what exactly is CarteSign? CarteSign allows you to create NFTs of handwritten notes which can be traded on its marketplace, or autographs which can be used to sign any digital assets or any digital smart contracts. It was built using Cartesi as the backend, where it processes the signatures and it also keeps track of the entire NFTs on the platform. And Optimism and Arbitrum are used for minting cheap NFTs. So the entire idea of CarteSign is to make DAOs much more closer to what we currently have. For example, company structures which are maintained through physical signatures, or any legal institution which requires mandatory physical signatures, can be emulated using CarteSign. So it brings a new level of integration with the real world in terms of a DAO. This is a front end of the CarteSign, which is built using React, and we are using Wallet Connect to connect to this site. As you can see, there's a signature pad which can be used to write your signature or write any handwritten note which you want to secure in the traditional way. Forgive me for my handwriting, but yeah. You can register this as an input on the platform, which will later be minted as an NFT. So we are running a Cartesi based backend. As you can see, this is the base 64 encoded string of the image which is being uploaded onto the Cartesi backend. And the Cartesi backend registers it as an NFT. As you can see, we have created an NFT with the entire image.